So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix iPhone not showing latest iOS 17.4 update. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's running on iOS 17.3. So if you want to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 17.4 update and update not showing on your iPhone, in this video I will show you how you can turn on, how you can get that iOS 17.4 update in your iPhone. Okay, let's start video without wasting any time. And firstly we need to open the iPhone setting app. In setting app you can see appears on screen here. In my case it's showing iOS 17.4 beta update in my iPhone right now. If you don't see that update on your iPhone, when you check the software update, you can see appears on screen. There are two options right now showing here: automatic update and also showing in the bottom beta update. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Just tap on auto update. You can see appears on screen iOS update, security response and system files, and in the bottom you can see appears on screen automatically download iOS update. Make sure these three option is turned on in your iPhone if you want to get the latest beta update on your iPhone. Okay, just go back. If you don't see that update in your iPhone, and if you don't see any option on your iPhone and you are not enrolled in beta program, make sure just enroll your Apple ID in beta program, and then you can easily get that feature on your iPhone. Okay, so friends, by do that simple step you can easily get the latest update iOS 17.4 in your iPhone, and you can easily install and download it in your iPhone. After watching this video, I hope you can easily fix that issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.